Hey guys, so my photo subject is right there, and you can't see her because she's on the other side of this reflective glass. So how do you get shots through windows, through glass, without getting that reflection and glare? Stick around and I'll show you. So this is a problem that we encounter all the time. You want to shoot through windows, you want to shoot through doors, maybe into a shop, you're going to shoot merchandise, or somebody's on the other side of glass. But you always get that glare and the reflection of the glass. So how do you eliminate that? So first I'm going to take a shot like I normally would, just standing right here, and you're going to see the reflection and the glare in the shot, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. So you can see there's just a lot going on in that shot, and you can see obviously it's shot through a window. But there's a really, really easy way to correct that. And basically what you want to do is get as close as you possibly can to the glass. And I mean as close as you can by actually putting your lens up against the glass. So now on this lens, on really most lenses, the front element of the glass does not exceed the actual outside of the lens edge. So I can put this up against something without the front glass element actually touching it. Like this. So now this is actually touching the glass, pressed up against it, and by doing that I'm going to eliminate any glare, any reflection whatsoever. So I'm going to take the same shot I just took before with now my lens pressed right up against the glass. So now you can see, it's like the glass isn't even there. It's like I'm standing inside with my subject. Really easy to do. If you have a lens that maybe the glass element sticks out a little bit further than the front of the lens here, or if you have maybe a lens hood or the front of your lens looks like this with this bayonet cut out like this, where you're going to actually have some parts here where light can actually get through, basically the same thing. You're going to put it up against the glass like this, and then you're going to want to cut off these parts here. I happen to have a microfiber cloth with me here that I always have with me. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to push this up against the glass, and then you're going to cover those spots. You're going to cover those areas with the microfiber cloth or a towel or a washcloth or whatever you happen to have with you that can cover up those spots. And now that's going to do the same thing. It's going to cut off any light from entering from the sides, and you're going to be able to shoot just as you normally would, as if the glass wasn't even there. So it's as simple as that. Whenever you want to cut glare or reflection from glass, the trick is get as close as you can, and I mean actually touching the glass with the front of your lens. Get as close as you possibly can, eliminate any light from hitting your lens from the sides, and you're going to see those reflections and glares just totally melt away. So I hope this little tip helps you. I'm going to put up a couple of videos here to other tips and tricks that we use. Check those out also. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.